Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Talkback Shortcuts on the navigation bar on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, we're going to go down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on Talkback. Next, go down and tap on Talkback Shortcut. Make sure the shortcut is switched on, and then tap on Allowed, tap on Turn off one-handed mode, because one-handed mode will not work while Talkback is switched on. Now, next, tap accessibility button, so tap on this radio box to select this option, and then tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Now, once the Talkback shortcut has been added to the accessibility button, you can tap on it to turn on Talkback.
Talkback on. One UI home. Calculator. Calculator. Accessibility volume set to 90%. Double.
Okay, to turn it off, you tap on this accessibility button once.
Accessibility button. Navigation bar. Double tap to activate.
So if we double tap on it, we will deactivate Talkback. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.